cannonball chant where I'm making a splash. I've been working on my cardio, swim a couple laps. When I'm done I get to chillin' like there's ice in my glass. And if this party's anything like the last, we'll be roasting while we toasting, we'll be having a blast. Slip and slide into the weekend while we play in the grass. We'll be sharing a laugh when we look back, because you know there ain't nothing better than this, nothing better than this, nothing better than this. It's amazing. Oh, what a life to live, what a life to live, what a life to live.
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay hindi mawawala. Hiwaga mong dala, ikaw aking musika. Kung utak ay hindi na kayang gumawa ng melodiya para pisngi mo'y pumulan, memorya ko man ay wala, nakatatak na sa tadhanang minsan sa'yo'y namanghal. Kung oras ay nababalik lang sana, ay babalik nung unang kang nakita, at aking iuulat sa iyong umabot ng walang hangganang storya nating dalawa. Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay di mawawala. Hiwaga mong dala,
Ako ang iyong musika.